All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of all worlds. We seek His help and His protection. Peace and blessings be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our series, Understanding the Surahs. So far, we have reflected on Surah Al-Ikhlas and Surah Al-Falaq, and today we complete this powerful set with Surah An-Naas, a surah that teaches us how to protect ourselves from internal and hidden evil. Surah An-Naas belongs to a special pair of surahs, Surah Falaq and Surah Nas, known together as the Muawwidhatayn, which means the two surahs of seeking refuge. They were revealed together and are always read together in pairs. Backstory of Surah An-Nas. Surah An-Nas was revealed along with Surah Al-Falaq in Mecca, according to many scholars. During a time when the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced spiritual harm and opposition. As mentioned earlier, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was affected by magic, sihr. Allah revealed Surah Al-Falaq and Surah An-Nas as protection and cure. But here is something deeper. Surah Al-Falaq protects from external harm, and Surah An-Nas protects from internal harm. Because sometimes the biggest danger is not outside. It is inside our hearts and minds. Ayah 1. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas. Say, I seek refuge in the Lord of mankind. We are asking protection from Allah, the one who created all humans. Why it matters in daily life. When you feel weak, confused, or lost, remember, you have a Lord who takes care of you personally. Ayah 2. Malikin Nas. The King of mankind. Allah is not just our creator. He is our king, the one who controls everything. Malik means king, the real owner and ruler of everything. Every king on earth will one day die or lose power, but Allah is the eternal king of all people, past, present, and future. Why it matters. People fear others, bosses, society, opinions, but this ayah reminds us, everything is in control of Allah. Ayah 3. Ilahin Nas. The God of mankind. Allah alone deserves worship, no one else. Notice how Allah describes Himself in three ways in the first three ayahs. Rabb, Lord and Nourisher, Malik, King, and Ilah, God. This is a complete picture. He feeds us, He rules us, and He alone deserves our worship. Why it matters? Today, people worship many things, money, fame, people. This ayah brings us back to the truth. Only Allah deserves our heart. Ayah 4. Min sharril waswasil khannas. From the evil of the whisperer who withdraws. This refers to Shaytan, who whispers bad thoughts into our hearts, then hides. Waswas means whisper. Khannas means one who retreats or pulls back. This is Shaytan's style. He whispers evil thoughts into your heart, and the moment you remember Allah, he retreats and hides. He doesn't fight you face to face. He sneaks. Why it matters. Have you ever felt sudden negative thoughts, doubts, temptations? That's not always you. It can be whispers of Shaytan. The cure? Say, A'udhu Billah, and remember Allah. The whisper immediately retreats. This is not superstition. It is a Quranic truth. Ayah 5. Alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Who whispers into the hearts of mankind. Shaitan doesn't attack physically, he attacks the heart and mind. Sudur means chests,
In Arabic, chest is the seat of the heart, mind, and emotions. Shaytan doesn't need to speak out loud. He plants thoughts directly inside you. Nobody else can see it. It is a private, invisible attack on your soul. Why it matters. Every wrong action begins as a thought. That may be the whisper. Knowing this helps you reject those thoughts instead of acting on them. You are in control when you seek Allah's help. Protect your thoughts is equal to protect your life.
Ayah 6. Min al-jinnati wan-nas. From among jinn and mankind. Whispers don't only come from Shaytan, sometimes they come from people too. This is a profound revelation. The whisperer is not only Shaytan from the jinn. Even human beings can whisper evil into each other's hearts. Bad friends, toxic influences, people who encourage sin, they are also a form of waswas. Evil can come from both the unseen and the seen world. Why it matters. Be careful who you let influence your heart and thoughts. A bad friend who keeps pushing you toward sin is also a waswas min an-nas. Choose your company wisely. This is a Quranic command, not just life advice. Not every voice around you is good for your soul.
Key lessons from Surah An-Naas. 1. Seek protection from internal evil, not just external. 2. Shaitan works through thoughts and whispers. 3. Not every thought you have is true. Question it. 4. Allah is your Lord, your King, your only God. 5. Recite this surah daily, morning and evening and before sleeping. It creates a spiritual shield around your heart. Dear brothers and sisters, if Surah Al-Falaq protects your outside, then Surah An-Nas protects your inside. Because the biggest battle is not outside. It is within your heart. So whenever you feel doubts, negative thoughts, temptations, don't fight alone. Turn to Allah, recite Surah An-Nas, seek His protection. May Allah protect our hearts, our thoughts, and our iman. Ameen.